How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our K-Force Micro 21 TIR mini light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here, and you'll have a connector. And this is to be used with our optional grand control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your cig-plug here for power, and then you'll have your backlight cable, and then you'll have your aux line here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting, all off of your optional grand control box. Now with our grand control box, you'll have your power button, you'll have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons, so you'll have dual flash pattern memory, you'll have your pattern button here, you'll have your side takedown button, your aux button, your dim functionality, and your backlight button. So let's go ahead and go over the functions. So for example here, I'm using my optional grand control where I'll have my power button, then I'll have my mode 1 where I have a flash pattern saved, and my mode 2 where I have a different flash pattern saved, so you have dual flash pattern memory. And then here you'll have your pattern changer, which you can use to change patterns whether you're in mode 1 or mode 2. And then you'll have your side takedown button where we do offer a multicolor upgrade here. And then you'll have your aux button, and then your dim functionality, which will dim your light bar. And then you'll have your backlight button here, which can be activated by the button, or you can hardwire your backlight functionality. Now I did bring an amber color model here for example, but we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. So let's go over a couple of those. So for example here, I brought a green, clear, alternating color unit. In the middle, I brought an amber solid color setup. And up front, I brought a red, blue, half-half color setup. But again, we offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. And we do have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. When it comes to using our optional grand control, you can activate the red backlight LEDs via your button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire. Now if you use your white cable to hardwire, your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable or the button on your control box. Now to mount your mini bar, you'll have your included magnetic feet here, which are adjustable along the bottom slide track of your light bar. And we also offer our optional headache rack brackets and our optional stud mounts. And to mount these, you'll remove your magnetic feet and use the existing hardware on your light bar. So that covers our K-Force Micro 21 TIR mini light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.